Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Guys, gals, I have this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. It's not a real SS car, okay? It's a 136 VIN, finished in this gorgeous, gorgeous torch red, beautiful, stunning paint, base coat, clear coat, on a laser straight, rock solid body, guys. The paint is incredibly, very, very nice. The depth in the paint is gorgeous. It was laid down very nice and painted nice everywhere, including all of the door jambs. Now, please refer to my photos of underneath the vehicle, okay? Because this is a frame-off restored vehicle, so you guys can check that out. This is one of the nicest 67s that we've had. I mean, when you look inside, you will find a gorgeous, gorgeous black bucket seats, interior with the factory console. The interior on this car is just as nice as the paint, guys. Everything looks like it's been restored yesterday. It really is. The engine is an upgraded built 454 Big Block Chevy engine, okay, and it sounds awesome. It's got Edelbrock Aluminum Cylinder heads, as you can see there, Edelbrock air gap dual plane intake manifold, as you see, ceramic coated big tube headers, Quickfuel 4-barrel carb, okay. CVF aluminum valve covers. You guys see that there. Beautiful setup. The Mallory High Fire 6L ignition box, as you can see there. I just want to show you guys. It's backed up by a Muncie M22 Rock Crusher 4-speed manual transmission, guys. The rear end is a Ford 9-inch direct bolt with a quick performance differential. In the front there, you got UMI tubular control arms as well. Compact electric brake booster master cylinder kit from Speedway. This was a $1,600 kit that has been installed there. Along with the CVF aluminum valve covers, what that was added on here, as you can see, the polished billet aluminum hood hinges. Underneath the dash there, guys, is a brand new painless wiring kit. The stereo system in this thing is killer. Kenwood radio. It's in the glove box. That one there is just for show, guys. Amplifier is set up on this thing with this big Rockford subwoofer. Back underneath the car, guys, a 3-inch mandrel bend H-pipe Flowmaster exhaust system all the way to the back to the factory location behind the wheels. You see that there? That thing sounds awesome, guys. Hearst competition shifter, and I'll demonstrate it does shift really nice and smooth. American Racing wheels on the BFGs, radial TA tires. All of the chrome and stainless throughout this car is super nice. All new weather stripping as well has been added. All nice glass too. Everything on this car is super nice, guys, really. The Chevelle was built with incredible craftsmanship. I mean, someone did a really nice job on this thing. The car draws a big crowd wherever you go, man. And you're going to be asking a lot of questions. It truly is a pleasure to cruise, bring to car shows, cruise nights. You'll be hard-pressed to find another one for our asking price, guys. Really. Metal looks straight on the car, dual exhaust, like I said, underneath the 3-inch. Sounds amazing. I do have a clean and clear title. Trade-ins are welcome. So, guys, I mean, listen, if you can dream it, I believe you guys can do it. I'm glad you're watching this video, guys. A list of options now that are available for this car is you can add the air conditioning kit for about $4,000 parts and labor installed here in our service department. If you guys wanted LED side mirrors, this one does have the dual sport mirrors, but if you wanted these side mirrors in LED where the when you turn the turn signal on, it shows the arrow there. We can get that for about 600 bucks. The LED front headlights are about 500 installed. The rear one's another 500. The ceramic coating, if you want that done on this car, we only do it for $995. One other thing that you guys can install would be a electric cutoff system for the exhaust. I mean, 1,500 bucks to have that installed. If you wanted power windows, we can do that for about $2,000 as well. This one's got manual windows and how it came. So again, guys, just a beautiful car. I wanted to share all this information with you. I'm going to fire this thing up and go for a test drive. It's a beautiful day out there. All right, guys, we're back in the Chevelle. We're going to fire this thing up. That's your fuel pump. Headlights function. Wipers, they do work, as you can see there, and I'll put the blades on. Previous owner took them off for just more of a better look, but I have them. Beautiful SS steering wheel. You got your Sun Super Tack for the RPM. You got your left turn signal working. The right one working. You got great oil pressure. Bolts. Water pump. That's all the new wiring, the paintless wiring kit. I just wanted to show you guys that. This is the fake radio. It is a radio, but it's disconnected. In here, you have your upgraded radio, and in the trunk, you got that big subwoofer that I showed you. Beautiful headliner, nice sun visors, excellent, clean, crisp mirror. All the lenses are nice and crisp here, guys. Dash pad interior is mint. It's all brand new condition. All right. I want you guys to hear the exhaust. Look how beautiful this thing shows. I'm happy we got some good weather here. I can do a test drive for you folks. Gorgeous. Let's do this, gentlemen. Guys, got my seat belt on. I checked all my side mirrors, my rear view mirror. It's got a Hurst shifter. We are ready to go. This thing is nice. Can't stop saying that word. Cold day here, but I know it looks like it's 80 degrees, but it's not. Ooh, this thing's got some power. We're gonna have a little fun here. It's gonna get used to the clutch. I drive so many different cars. They're all different. gears very easily. And you can catch reverse very easily on here all the way to your left and up. The only thing left to do on this car is to connect the horn. Now this is a new restoration. Finish connecting the horn and the speedo, okay? And that will be all taken care of before the car gets shipped out to anybody. And then when we get back, I'll show you our service department. Whoa! Okay. Ha ha! Woo! Woo! This thing's a hoot to drive. Oh man, you can get a ticket so easy. So easy with this baby. Oh man, this thing pulls real nice. Really nice. This thing's got to have over 500 horsepower in my opinion. Holy shit! Whoa! That's just rolling the throttle, gentlemen. This thing makes your hair stand up. And this is why this thing is all show and all freaking go, too. Wow. Wow. Oh, man. What an adrenaline rush. Brakes feel great. Didn't even talk to you guys about the brakes. They feel good on the car. Handles really nice with the upgraded suspension. Holy shit. Whoa, man, I love this car. I'm nuts. I am nuts. I am freaking nuts. I don't know what to tell you. These muscle cars just brings out all the craziness in my freaking brain. I'm telling you. Oh, anyway, this building, let me calm down. Okay, let me calm down. This is the back side of our building. We got 37,000 square feet of indoor showroom and outdoor showroom as well. I'm going to move further up here, guys, and I'm going to put the car in our service department. To the right here is where is where we service all our vehicles. My detail department is here too. So you're in good hands, guys. We do service our vehicles. So, and I tell you everything about them. We'll get the car up on the lift here. You'll watch me do it. And, well, there's a piece of 2x4 there, so I'll let somebody else do that. Anyway, guys, I'm going to continue here with the video as soon as... So we'll get the car up on the lift, and I'll show you guys how beautiful the car is underneath. This is some of our older overstock here, and... these are the cars that we're currently working on for customers. So on the other side here is where we have our full showroom. These are other vehicles here that are either new arrivals or getting ready to be delivered to new customers. And down here as well. So as I walk here, we're located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. We are 25 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport, and we are 45 minutes from Midway. I do welcome everyone to come here, look at the cars themselves. We can go for a test drive on a nice day. Here's our main showroom with over 200 cars that I own, that I handpicked for my collection, and now, you know, everything is for sale. I've been doing this for 26 years. That's the next one coming up in the photo booth there. But a beautiful collection, guys. If you need financing, and I'll just talk to you here, if you need financing and your credit score is between 630 and 770, you will need 10% down, and also you will need good credit, okay? So keep that in mind. If you're looking for financing, 10% down. All of the list of options that I talked about can be rolled in to your loan amount, okay? Your sales tax, your delivery fee, all of that can be rolled in to your, we'll have to fix that. Will have to be rolled in to your loan. So keep that in mind. If your credit score, let's see, I said 630 to 770. Okay, so rates start at about 8.25%. We go up to 180 month term if needed. You guys can finance that. We have long term, like I said. It makes the payments really low and really affordable because these cars are going up in value. So I think it's a great setup for financing. If you guys are interested, you guys can hold on to your money and keep investing in whatever you're currently doing. Some of our bikes are up there. So you can find the credit application at mgmclassiccars.com. Okay. And if your credit score is over 775, you'll have to text me and I can give you direct link to my lender for a unsecured, no money down option. Rates start there at 6.99%. Okay. You guys got all my information. If you need delivery, call me or text me. My number is 847-848-1850. We'll talk soon, guys. Thanks for watching. MGM.